It was another day of roller coaster ride on the stock markets. What began as a very encouraging trend early morning, which showed that the markets opened much higher. Towards the last 1 hour of trade, there was tremendous selling and the benchmark indices ended lower. The SENSEX ended lower by about 286 points while the Nifty lost about 93 points. Markets were not very enthused with the 35 basis points cut by the Reserve Bank of India. What fell in trade today was clearly INDIABULLS housing finance. It lost between 13 and 14% compared to the sharp gains we saw yesterday, wherein it gained almost 9%. Today the fall was led by INDIABULLS housing finance, and it was largely because of a very numbers that disappointed or lagged investor estimates. The profits came in much lower than was anticipated, and investors decided to just sell into the stock. Another factor which led to the fall in INDIABULLS housing finance was the company lowered the dividends. In fact, it has been declaring dividends of rupees 10 every quarter. This quarter, it reduced the dividends to just 8 rupees per share. Probably that also may have led to some reaction. Otherwise, it was the other decline was in Tata Steel and Mahindra and Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra fell largely because the markets did not like the quarterly numbers. The company declared its quarterly numbers today. So these were the two stocks that dropped from the Nifty, were the biggest losers from the Nifty space. Coming to the gainers from the Nifty, it was largely Yes Bank and ZTV. In fact, ZTV had gained significantly in the morning of around 7%, but thereafter towards the last hour of trading, as there was selling pressure, it ended with just marginal gains of 2 to 3%. Coming to the outlook for tomorrow, we expect the markets to fall again tomorrow, and there is a reason we believe that the markets will fall again tomorrow, and that's because it closed almost at the lowest point of the day at 93 points on the Nifty. It was almost at the lowest point of the day, and when the markets close at the lowest point of the day, it tends to fall even further the next day. So in all probability, we'll see a fall in the index tomorrow as well. We'll have to watch for the net sale numbers of the foreign portfolio investors, which will come up later today. If the selling is aggressive, we might see another fall tomorrow. Global markets were all right today. We had the German markets, the German DAX, the UK's FTSE, and the French CAC up in trade today. So global markets were quite all right, but our markets cracked. Probably they were not too happy with 35 basis points cut in the repo rate by the RBI. They were looking at even a higher rate of 50% cut. All in all, brace yourself for volatile times. Tomorrow is going to be another volatile day, and let's hope that we see some recovery from these current levels.